Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh wait, no. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about goal setting and why it might not be working for you and why it might not be working for me either. Because sometimes I'll set a goal and it's not working, but I have found some hacks to help me with my goals. So hold on, let me see. Let's see, is that better? Yeah, that's better. Okay, so the first thing is, first of all, we have to figure out why we're setting the goal, right? You got to figure out why you even want to accomplish the goal. What is the underlying reason for the goal? That's number one. Number two, you have to actually set the goal, meaning either you're writing it down or you're talking about it with friends, family, whatever. I personally am one, when I set a goal, I write it down. Something happens when you write down the goal. That's the number one thing. Actually setting the goal and also deciding what is the driving force for the goal. Say for instance, like for me, I am finishing up a book this year. Why? Number one, because I said I need to do it. And number two, because it has tons of great content for the education I'm trying to get out to Black and brown women about obesity and food intake. So that's like my number one thing. That's my jam. I want to educate African American women about ways in order to either get rid of diabetes or stop them from prediabetes, insulin resistance, all of those things. And the way that I've learned, one of the best ways is through intermittent fasting. So that is why I'm writing that book. That's two reasons. Number three, the next reason is because what happens when you publish a book for someone like myself who does a lot of speaking engagements, it just gives a little bit more credibility to what it is that I'm doing and what I plan to do in the future as I continue on this path. So that's my why. Why hasn't it been working for me in the past? Because guys, I've been sitting on this for a while. So I've noticed that several things, and this may be the same thing for you, and that's why I'm sharing. Number one, yes, I set the goal. Yes, I wrote the goal down. The execution part, which is the next step to execute, has not been enough. Am I writing on a day-to-day basis? Is that something I'm doing on a day-to-day basis? I have not been, if I'm being honest. I do it, but not to the point of executing the way I should. Number three, I have not got an accountability partner. I haven't got someone to say, hey, are you doing what you said you were going to do? Which is majorly important. Having someone who you're accountable to, not just yourself. So I have an accountability partner now. The next thing is to actually visualize the end. Me holding the book, me showing the book, signing the book. Those are steps towards completing. And I've been visualizing not like I should, being honest. So this year we're going to use those steps to do that. And the next thing, you got to tell somebody. You have to speak it into existence. You have to sing it, shout it, say it, whatever you need to do. It needs to get out. People need to know. People need to expect. And that way it just kind of gives you that push to move forward. Not that you're doing it for anyone else. You're doing it for yourself. It's just that extra really does help. So the steps are setting the goal, telling yourself, hey, I really can do this. So that's affirming yourself. And then executing every day towards the goal. So if you say you're going to go to the gym Go to the gym. Sometimes you may not feel like working out. Maybe you just go on the treadmill and walk for a little bit. Maybe you just work your abs a little bit. But go. Go to the gym. Do not lie to yourself about it. So execute. Plan how you're going to do that, right? Get yourself an accountability partner that you can plan to speak with about it. And then speak it out to the universe. Tell the universe, tell anybody who will listen what you're doing, so that all these things can work together for your good and you can complete something that you say you're going to do for yourself, not necessarily for anyone else. But again, understand why you want to do it so that you can continue to stay motivated and continue to move forward. I personally am planning to take my own advice this year as I move forward with my goals. And I do think it's going to be a success this time. So I think you should try it too. All right. Okay. Here we go. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hit that like button. Tell somebody about me. Join my extraordinary family. All the things. Oh, also, I'm on Clubhouse if you guys want to follow me in Black Coffee, Honey, and Grits. Follow me on Clubhouse. That would be amazing. And on Instagram, Dr. Jamesia on Instagram. I'm Dr. Jamesia almost anywhere. Or at Dr. Jamesia, you can find me. Yeah, so that's about it. Okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.